Hey, beautiful people, how are you? My good name is Christabel. Where am I looking? And this is my YouTube channel, Doing Life with Chris. I just got home 6:50, and I just figured let me do a night routine without a nanny because we've not had a nanny for 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. And we are, hey, like schools have just started. I am a full-time working mom, so there's a lot of moving pieces. And maybe there's someone I might help out there who is in this exact same situation. They're like, oh my God, I am neck deep. I have already given her her snack. Yeah, that is usually the first order of business when I get home, even before showering. Like she just can't let me. Say hi, Mama. I have very high tolerance for hot water. So I usually take very, very hot showers. They just make me come alive. So I have already done my cleansing, my face cleansing. I want to do my face night routine, put on some very comfortable clothes because there's going to be a lot of running around. Already mnaona my life partner is here, very ready for her part. I need to do my face night routine and then hit the kitchen. So that's my outfit for the night. It doesn't get any more comfortable than this. I got these pants from Think Twice. They are so comfortable and so amazing. They feel so soft on my skin. And this top too. So basically everything I have on is thrifted, and I am wearing no more than 150 shillings. Top to bottom, I kid you not. So I want to put on serum. Okay, Mama. Even bright. So it's night booster serum, and then I'll go in with my night moisturizer. Just a minute, Mommy. Just a minute. Just a minute. I show them. It's written PM. So that's basically everything that I'm going to do right now for my face. Cleansing, serum, moisturizer, and I'm done. And my companion is still here, ananiandama kuniandama. I wanted to make pumpkin chapos. Let's do this. Let's try. And still, I want to prep for breakfast, like I said. I have bought ground beef. I am thinking of prepping samosas, and then I'll deep fry them in the morning. So it's a packed night for me and mine. For me and mine. Let's hit the kitchen. So here I have malenges, which I boiled in the morning. The thing is, when you don't have a nanny, you need to be very, very organized. So it's not a matter of getting home and then that's when you're starting to think or to wonder what you'll have for dinner. You need to have planned and thought ahead of time so that if there's any prep that you need to make, then you make it in good time. And so what I did is I prepared the stew in the morning, and therefore our stew is ready. My samosa meat is already going on the stove. We always have hot water in all our flasks, like all the flasks that are in this house. The requirement is that they all always have to have hot water. So that is what I was getting from the blue flask, so that I can knead, because I need my chapo with lukewarm water. I feel like when you're in distress, chapo is one of the fastest meals to make, because once the stew is ready, you can actually start serving dinner. When I am short of time, ironically, I find myself running to chapati. So I think my dough is ready to be transferred to this surface. And I think I'll be repurposing this bowl because I also don't want to sleep at midnight cleaning after myself. samosa dough, because if you eyeball it, you may end up with a lot of dough and a lot of wastage. So because I don't want very many samosas, I think I'll just go with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and that is likely to give me around 20 samosas, so I'll be good. And then about half a teaspoon of salt, garlic powder. So tablespoons of oil. I've been kneading this dough for about 4 or so minutes, and that's okay because it's pretty small dough, so 4 minutes will do. Otherwise I would have gone all the way to about 8 or 10 minutes. This is my favorite rolling pin. Don't ask me why. I'm going to start working on my chapati dough. Hapa syllabus inakimbia kukimbia. One, two, three. These are 6. Believe it or not, these are 24 samosas.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
I am done preparing dinner and it is exactly 8:30 in the PM. I promise we don't always eat this late, but there were a lot of dynamics today, including shooting. Guys, it takes a lot of time to set up and to get a lot of things right. So yes, we'll be having dinner, malenge chapatis and so yeah, that's what we are having. That's our stew, cabbage na nyama uko mchanganyiko. It's 10:30 PM in the night. Everybody has gone to bed. Kila mtu amenitoka, imebaki tu mimi and my helper. So sit there, mama. Sit there. We finish what we are doing. Will you eat some nyama? Will you eat some nyama? I give you. Here. Some nyama. Eat. Good girl. I have my samosa pockets here, which I had wrapped so that they don't dry up, that they are nice and soft. They didn't dry up. I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a few tablespoons of water. I have formed this paste. This is going to be our binding agent. 20, 21, 22. I started at 10:11. It is now 26 minutes since I started, so that should be 10:46. Good morning. It's 10 minutes to 6. Baby, Fabian, it's 6. But this is a good time because I am done with everything. I'm done with breakfast, I'm done with lunch. So I have decided I'll not make rice right now because there's leftover chapo from dinner. That's what I'm going to carry for my lunch because I carry lunch to work. And then my day bag will also have that for lunch, chapo and beans, and also baby will have chapo and beans. And then in the evening, I'll make some rice and cabbage so that we can have with these beans. So I want to sit down and have breakfast. And my helper is here bright and early. Mapema ndio best. So I made arrowroot. This is loma. There are our plates, forks and knives. And then here you remember the samosa preps from yesterday. We have tea in that flask and of course our cups. Hopefully by 7:30 my day bag will have arrived so that I can hand over Munchkin over here and we can head out latest 7:40. First time I'm coming back to the bedroom from since 5:30. So I need to make this bed because guys, mama, akina mama, does this happen to you? So I need to make the bed and then you hear that? My shower is running, so I'm waiting for the hot water to start coming out because we use solar water heating system. So you have to give it a few minutes for the cold water to run out so that the hot water can start coming out. So I want, as that happens, I want to handle this bed and then pick out my outfit for the day and yeah, be ready in 20 minutes. The gang is in the car. It's exactly 8 a.m. in the morning and we are 10 minutes away from town. Yep. Yeah, about 10 minutes away. So we didn't a.m. Yeah, our evening and morning routine without a nanny. And I hope you have picked one or two things from this video. I can only hope a girl can